हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आय एम रोहिणी देवरे, केमिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट, मराठा विद्या प्रसारक समाज, सायखेडा कॉलेज, नाशिक. You know how important of chemistry is in your life. From waking up in the morning to night, we often use chemistry. So even if you say you can't live without chemistry, chemistry has made our lives so much more enjoyable. There are many miracles in nature that we see in chemistry. Today we are going to see some similar magical reaction. Are you all ready? So let's go and see the magical reaction in our chemistry lab. Hello friends, let us see the first experiment, elephant toothpaste experiment. In this experiment, in measuring cylinder, there is presence of hydrogen peroxide and liquid detergent, and potassium iodide is added. After addition of potassium iodide, a foam is produced. The potassium iodide, it can decompose the hydrogen peroxide very quickly. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into oxygen and water. Small amount of hydrogen peroxide generate a large volume of oxygen. The oxygen quickly pushes out of the container. Therefore, the foam is seen. In normal condition, this reaction takes place very slowly. Therefore, a catalyst is added to speed up the reaction, which results the formation of foam. We see that there is formation of foam. In this case, potassium iodide is act as a catalyst. The reaction is exothermic in nature. This is elephant toothpaste experiment. Formation of foam is depend upon the concentration of hydrogen peroxide. Then next experiment is eggshell. In beaker we have take the acid and egg is dipped in a acid. What happen when you dip the egg in acid solution? There is formation of bubbles. How bubble can be formed? We know that the eggshell is a source of calcium. When we put the egg in acid beaker, the acid react with the calcium carbonate in the egg shell and it releases the CO2 that we see as a bubbles on the shell. When eggshell react with acidic solution, there is formation of CO2 and this bubble is seen around the egg. The calcium dissolve in acid. After that the egg looks like a rubber. Let us see that. It requires some time. I have seen that beaker. In this beaker we see that the around the eggshell there is formation of bubbles. Okay, this is due to the there is formation of CO2 because the calcium is react with the calcium carbonate is react with the acid and it release the CO2 as we see as a bubble on the shell. After that it's look a rubber. See that. The next experiment is clock reaction. Potassium iodide is added in sodium thiosulfate and starch solution, and H2O2 is added. In a beaker, we take potassium iodide and sodium thiosulfate and starch. From another beaker, H2O2 is added. Shake it. Wait for few seconds. Color is changed after some time. This reaction, see that color is changed, colorless to dark blue in color. This is clock reaction. Then see that addition of phenolphthalein in acid and base solution. In beaker we have take the acid and another beaker there is presence of basic solution. If we add the phenolphthalein indicator in acidic solution, it becomes colorless, while in basic solution it becomes pink in color. See that in acidic beaker the solution becomes colorless, while in basic solution it looks a pink color. Phenolphthalein is used as indicator in acid base titration. This is very interesting reaction. The next is addition of KMnO4 in acid base and neutral medium. We add the acid base and neutral solution, we add the KMnO4 solution. We say that the different color are observed in different beaker. Pink, green and orange color. This is neutral solution, it looks a pink color. In basic condition it looks a green color. In acidic solution it looks a orange color. These all are magical reaction in chemistry. Thank you.